I hope you enjoy viewing this tour. If you would like to see this property in person, please contact me at 706-455-6977. Charming cottage home. Nestled on top of a wooded knoll, level front yard with blooming trees, shrubs and gardens. Quiet and private yet close to town. Located in the popular Cherry Log Mountain community with access to 12 trout stock lakes. Low maintenance, one-level living cabin with large, two-car garage. The home provides 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Master bedroom has a spacious walk-in closet, tile shower, jacuzzi tub. Beautiful 12 inches pine board floors, recently refinished. Open kitchen and dining room ready for family gatherings. Cozy living room including a warm fireplace and views of nature, wildlife through almost daily. Exquisite Blue Ridge can be seen in the distance for more than half of the year from 5 rooms of the home. Fenced-in backyard for the 4-legged family or the safety of young